Alexa, turn on CNBC Radio. Oh, I think we might be up. Let's see. All right. Oh, I think I'm just sitting here, staring at the screen, huh? Yep. All right, that looks good. All right, let's go ahead and get in back into trading. All right, I want to recap yesterday's trades quickly. Uh, as you can see, long trade cleared, short trade did not. However, cleared way later on in the day, about 2:30 ish. Okay, um, everyone is waiting for what's going to happen today. Obviously, we know that the federal chair, Jerome Powell, is going to be speaking from Jackson Hole, Wyoming summit of Fed people talking about whatever they talk about during their times. But let's go ahead and get our economic calendar up so we can see what's going on. Right, United States is cleared or clicked. Three bulls, and then let's apply. Right, now here we go. Here's Friday. Okay, I'm just gonna clear everything else out because nobody cares about anything but Friday because it is Friday. All right, number one, core PCE price index. Right. Yeah, a little bit important, not horribly important. Interesting thing is that everyone knows, well, not everyone. The people in Jackson Hole already know what this number is going to be, I assume. And here it is, right? At 9 a.m., Fed Chair Powell speaks, right? So he's going to be speaking from the summit, and from the summit, he's going to be telling us through very vague, very central bank language, which, it's super hard for me to speak that language, what the state of the economy is and how aggressive, which hawkish or dovish are going to be on their Fed rate hikes here forward, right? So let's go back over the system rules and go ahead and get that going. Number one, as you can see here, we are going to see is the range, right? The gap between the high and the low greater than 15 points. As we can see here, it is, right? Our high is 4200.50 and our low is 4180 flat, right? So that gives us exactly 20 and a half points, or 20 points, 2 ticks. Okay. One, check. Okay. Second one, is the current price, number one, less than 5 points from, or more than or equal to 5 points from the high, below the high, which of course right here it's at 4187.75. The answer is yes, it is. Is the current price 5 points above the low? Right here we have it at 4187.5. Our low is 4180. Okay, it gives you exactly 7 points and 2 ticks. A little bit close, but the answer is yes. Right. Next, let's go ahead and place our trades. Right? We are going to place our short trade first. And it's just because it's closest. Our short or our session low is 4180. So quite simply put, we are going to sell short at 4182. Right? Get our stop order, confirm. Get our exit at 4180, confirm. Right? Our second trade is going to be on the long side. Right? So we need to go up here to 4200.5. Indicated here by this little blue line, session high. We're going to go 2 points below that, right? So 4198.50 And our exit is going to be at the current session high. It's 4,200.50. And that's it. We got our trades on the chart. You can see how everything's begun to, our brackets are here. Price action is relatively sideways. All right. Super important to understand this. I'm going to do the call to action, the Twitter, and all that in a second. Now, at 9 o'clock, okay, the market is going to react. Now, I can't tell you which way it's going to go, right? Or if it's going to go a solid and single direction. What is going to happen is that traders, through perhaps their real language algorithms, and also people listening to the individual reports or the speech, are going to attempt to assess through the Fed chair's speech what the economic outlook is going to be. Okay, really aren't worried about how the economy is and so forth and so on. To an extent, the markets are going to specifically respond to language concerning interest rate hikes in the future. Okay, yeah, two basic, two general price points that the market has priced in interest rate hikes. Right, 50 basis points, 75 basis points. Remember, we covered basis points is 1/100th of a percent, right? So 0.5% to 0.75% interest rate hikes. The 75 basis points, the 0.75% one, okay, is going to cause the market to drop. The 50 basis points, the 0.5% one, is going to cause the market to rise. All right, this is generally what's going on. Now, remember, the Fed chair is not going to explicitly say what is going to happen until their next FOMC meeting. Okay, but he will allude to what will be going on in the future. All the reporters are going to try to ask him the juicy questions, try to trip him up in his responses. They're going to be watching body language, terminology, grammar, syntax, and so forth and so on. Okay. Will you trade it? Will you not? Hey, that's up to you. I would suggest setting your bracket orders and then leaving them. Because one thing, I'm not going to promise you, all right, especially not in money. I can give you I can project, okay? I can give you a probability here. The probability is super high that once this report comes out and starts speaking, okay, this market will make a new range, whether it be up or down. Now, this range is only 20 points, 20 and a half, 20 points, 2 ticks today. So it is very, very, very possible that it can redefine a new low and a new high in extreme volatility. So therefore, setting both these trades, I'm going to pull back and just wait and let it ride out. I will, of course, be listening, and I wish you the best of luck today. All right? Plan the trade, trade the plan, and just hold on. Try to relax. I'm going to. My heart stumps like a jackhammer sometimes. Okay? These trades will be posted, of course, on Twitter at Chohan Capital One, and please subscribe and hit the little bell button so you can get notifications when I go live. Or when I try to go live. I'm still getting all of it down. All right. Last, I want to end with the quote of the day. Forgot it yesterday. So, the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett here. Trading effectively is about assessing probabilities, not certainties. Okay. Couldn't be more true today. The probability of the market redefining its range on a day like today is very high. So guess what? That's what we're going to stick with. And that's what we're going to go with. All right. Appreciate you guys. I will see you, of course, on Monday. Hope everything goes well for you. And I would love to hear about it. So please, if you feel fit, let me know. All right. See you guys Monday. Good trading.